access the Windows collection in the user catalogue. Add a new folder. Add a new rectangular type window. Insert a title and a description. Select the internal frame. In the Properties panel, define the number of subdivisions. Uncheck the Frame option under the Frame section. Now choose the single panels and set them as sliding. Grab the double green arrow at the top side and slide it towards the top or bottom of the panel, defining its opening direction. Define the offset value relating to the Windows center. Confirm changes. Now use this new window type in Levels or directly in 3D view.